Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today I have a little bit different of a video for you. I went grocery shopping this morning and I had to get like a ton of other stuff like for the house. But when I was meal planning, I was like, you know what? I can do a lot with $50, like for dinners. So I planned 5 dinners for $50. Actually, it was a little bit less than $50, but I'm gonna share all the meals with you. I'm gonna share what they are. I'm gonna share like a little grocery haul and all the meals now. But then each night when I make these meals, I'll include the little clip showing you. I mean, it's nothing that like you already don't know how to make. They're all pretty easy, healthy-ish. Let's see what else. I'll share a little screenshot of the price of everything, how much I paid, and all of that. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Like I said, I know it's a little bit different usually from my other content, but I figured I share grocery hauls and all that fun stuff. So I figured it might be a good idea just to get some different ideas and to save yourself a little bit of money because groceries are out of control right now. So, along with gas, but we won't even go down that road. So let me, I gotta go change my battery because it's yelling at me. And then I will share the grocery haul and then I will go over the meal plan with you guys. So this is everything and it cost me, like I said, less than $50. So one night we were going to do breakfast for dinner. So I grabbed an entire pound of bacon. I got a dozen eggs and French toast sticks. So you can make, I'm actually thinking I'm gonna do, instead of this, pancakes, so you can instead buy pancake mix. But I think I'm gonna do all of this tomorrow because everyone's gonna be home. So this will feed a family of 5. And I think I'm gonna save these for the kids as like a quick breakfast in the morning. And I already have my own pre-made pancake mix and I'll share with you that when I do it. But so eggs, bacon, breakfast for dinner, you can never go wrong. Then we're going to do chicken broccoli ziti. I grabbed this big thing of chicken. The chicken was $4.61 for this entire thing of chicken. So that is a really, really good price. I grabbed, and that will be more than enough to do this. So we have chicken, we have broccoli florets, garlic toast, some rotini, and some creamy Alfredo sauce. So we're going to make chicken broccoli ziti and with a side of Texas toast. Then the next meal is going to be tacos. So you can add whatever toppings you want. I have cheese, but I grabbed the cheese just to show you that you can just do like super plain if you wanted to and still spend $50. But you can have sour cream, you can add salsa, any toppings that you like, and most people already have those things on hand. So I got a block of mild cheddar, and if you buy the block, it's cheaper if you grate it yourself. Organic ground beef, a taco seasoning packet, and some taco shells. Then for another meal, I grabbed this cube steak, and there's 4 steaks in here. So I'm gonna marinate all of these, and just with like spices that I have on hand, and some olive oil and a little bit of vinegar. I got a cucumber and some romaine lettuce and Caesar dressing. So we will make steak tip Caesar salads, and let's see how many pieces are in here. There's 8. So depending on who eats with us, there will be some leftover. So we can put that on the side because we are a family of 4, but I have a stepson who's here half the time too. So depending on if he's here or not, the Texas toast can definitely, and I don't need it, so I can always add the Texas toast in with this meal as well. And also, you won't need, depending on how many people are going to eat it, you could always do, like one of these or 1.5, and then you can make a small salad to go with your chicken broccoli ziti, or also have some lettuce to go on top of your chicken sandwiches. So I got some hamburger buns, I got some chicken patties, and I meant to grab a bag of chips, but I forgot. So that's okay. I have some French fries on hand, and like I said, I was still under budget, so you totally could get some chips or French fries or something like that. All of this is from Aldi if you couldn't tell already. So I will insert the price below, but that is our meal plan. I am very excited to show you guys what you can do with $50. All right, it is Saturday night. I am sick, but I can kind of talk. So we are going to be making chicken broccoli ziti for our first meal. I look kind of messy. I was just laying down. It is 4:30. I am going to be, I'm actually gonna do a little meal prep tomorrow too, so I'll share that with you. But I just have everything thawing out here on the counter. It's still pretty frozen, but this is the chicken that I bought to go specifically for this. You can't see anything because of the sun. That I specifically bought for that meal. So I'm gonna dice up the chicken. I'm gonna cook it up in just a little olive oil on the pan, in a pan on the stove. And then I have that bag of frozen broccoli. Then I am going to boil some water, rotini, sauce. Super, super, super simple. And it's not like, I mean, it's not the healthiest, but it's delicious and a family favorite. So let's go. Alright, so the chicken is done. I add a little bit of this Parmesan cheese, just a little bit just to the chicken. I have the water getting ready to boil. I'll add some salt to that. And then this whole box of rotini, whatever it is, will go in there. I'm going to warm up this jar of Alfredo sauce, and dinner will be ready. And we're also serving it with the Texas toast that I got. So I'll put that in the air fryer and dinner is served. And probably, this is, I think, less than 30 minutes. So can't beat that. Pasta is cooking. I have the oven preheating for our garlic toast. And then I'm going to spray this with a little non-stick spray. This is the spray that I use, the avocado spray. I get this at BJ's. It's my favorite. So just spray a little bit of this in the bottom of the pan, and then we put everything in here and mix it all up. I pop it in the oven for a few minutes just to get all nice and warmed everything through and everything combined, and then time to serve it up with some Texas toast. So this meal is just super, I mean, there's nothing really to explain. Super simple. We did bacon and we did eggs, and I actually pulled out some fruit, and I had some muffins that we did not use up. So I am using that for our dinner number 2. All right, it is Monday, so I'm going to cook up this steak, and then we're gonna make steak tip salads. I'm gonna marinate it in some olive oil, some spices, some Worcestershire sauce, and then before I grill it, I am going to put some barbecue sauce on it. So I am going to get that marinated. All right, I am out of my work clothes. The kids and I have been outside to playing. I was gonna grill the steak, but I think I'm gonna heat up a little olive oil and a little butter on the stove and do it that way. And kind of sear them and let them cook. So good. So I already chopped up the lettuce. I already chopped up the cucumber. A friend of mine is actually coming over for dinner, so this is perfect. And what I think I'm gonna do, I was gonna make Caesar salads, but I have leftover feta cheese. So what I think I'm gonna do is put feta on mine, and I actually have, let's see, is this still good? I bought it not that long ago, but let's just make sure. We don't want to be getting anyone. Yep, it's good till July. So I have this Greek dressing. I think I have some strawberries that I think I'm gonna put on there and make like a strawberry feta Greek steak tip salad. So I know I said I was gonna make Caesar salads, but I'm actually gonna use up what I have because I have a bunch of these like random dressings all in here. So instead of opening up another dressing, it doesn't really make sense. So I want to use up the strawberries that I have. I only have a couple left, so I think we are going to do that. So I will show you the final product when I am done. And actually, I'm gonna show you the other dinner, which is going to be chicken sandwiches. It's just those chicken patties. And then the next night we are having taco meat, which I already just pulled out from the deep freezer downstairs. So I'm going to put that into the refrigerator. And I actually, for once, stuck to my meal plan. That's a lot for me. I never stick to literally anything, especially a meal plan. So I am pretty proud of myself. So I will show you the final result of the salads. I am so excited. They sound good, they smell good already. The steak already marinated, smells delicious. So I'm excited. All right, this is the last night's dinner. We are having tacos. I'm gonna shred up this brick of cheddar cheese. We have our ground beef. We have our taco seasoning. I typically make my own taco seasoning and I just keep it in my spice drawer, but I am running low. But for the sake of the video, I bought taco seasoning and I bought crunchy tacos as well. So I already have on hand salsa and sour cream and lettuce, and those are our toppings that we like to put on our taco. it was a long day and I actually didn't feel like cutting up any lettuce or even breaking out the sour cream or salsa. So we are all just having meat and cheese and calling it a night. But that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like these kind of videos, I can definitely do more. It actually really kept me on track, really sticking to my meal plan, which was awesome. So if you want 5 more meal ideas, let me know and I would be happy to do a part 2. You have breakfast ideas, I can do a whole week's worth of meals, we can figure it out. But if you guys like this video, make sure you comment down below if you want to see a part 2 or a different variation of meals, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.